see this? Okay, okay. That is so good. I love the crunchiness of it. Oh.
All right, here we are at Paz Wet Market. We are going to have some very famous bok choy soup here in the wet market. We're really excited. Zanelle's going to give us a tour of this place and showing us these amazing things. And so we want to thank Zanelle for being so amazing. So you can see here, this is the whole meat section over here. We've got some shomai, we've got lots of rice. There's pretty much everything in here, but you can get lost in here because there's so many different alleyways.
That's where we're going.
We are going to Netong's. All right, I'm excited. And you can see here, we had rain earlier, but the rain has stopped, so everything is fantastic. It's a little low for me. I gotta crouch a little bit. Hello, hello. There it is. Netong's original special La Paz bok choy. So, oh, wow.
I'm excited. This looks so delicious.
I'm really looking forward to this. There is so many wonderful places here in this wet market. Okay, let's sit there. Happy to serve you. And you can see here they got all kinds of photos of the customers and the staff. And I bet there's probably several famous people in here. Wow. Wow. They have been in business, get this, 1928. Can you believe it? Like, how many places can even say 1998 or 1988? 1928. If that doesn't tell you this is delicious food, nothing will. All right, I'm excited. Let's try this.
So we're gonna end up getting the BATCHOY, which is super popular here. So I'm excited to try it. We're only getting the smaller one though because we're gonna be eating a lot.
So it comes as, you can get a super special, so that's the smaller size. Then you get extra special, which is a bigger size, more ingredients, and then a mega bowl. So if you want to have, I guess, one for sharing or something, or if you've got a crazy big appetite. You can also add all beef extra, and also an all beef mega bowl. So there's different add-ons you can do, and then there's specialties on the right. All right, but we're gonna keep spreading ourselves out so that we can handle a lot of food today. We're gonna have a lot of food videos for you guys. So we're gonna go for the super special. So you get puto, and it's wrapped in a banana leaf.
Yes, it is.
And that way it stays nice and fresh. And it already has its own like serving tray this way. Nice, very good presentation. Look at that.
Okay, so we totally misunderstood. We ended up getting the mega bowl because it just has more ingredients. It's the same size, more ingredients. So obviously we wanted more ingredients. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good. We also got a boiled egg.
Yeah,
let's
you get
go.
a fresh egg with it. Yeah, if you're going to experience something, experience it the whole way.
Mega experience.
Mega experience. And here we are. This is the mega bowl.
I'm waiting for the egg to cook a little bit.
You can still stir a little bit. And see here, it's a fresh egg, not a hard-boiled egg. And so you let it cook from the heat of the soup.
Let me reckon it too. I want to see your reaction.
Oh yeah.
Do I mix the egg in more? I'm not sure. Do I mix it? Okay. So I'm like,
Forget to blow it first.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we'll let the egg cook actually, and that'll be even better.
yeah. Cooks faster if you mix it. Oh, I'm excited. This looks really good, actually. Okay. I see this. Okay. That is so good. I love the crunchiness of it. Oh. This is so good. Oh my gosh. It's got like pork skin in it. Like crunchy pork skin. And then, I'm not sure, wait, what is this? Pork liver. Oh, my glasses are fogging up. That's how warm it is. The pork liver is good. This is really good. Oh, I'm so excited.
So we can't thank Zanel enough for this. This has been an amazing destination. The food is fantastic. And this is super addictive. I would eat this every day. It is that good.
I know, it's like a million times better than ramen.
Yeah, and a million times better than the best chicken soup you've ever had, a million times better than any beef stew you ever had. It is really that good. I get it. This is why they've been in business almost 100 years, right? Because in 2028, it will be 100 years they've been in business, which is crazy. How many places can say that? All the ingredients are gone because it was so delicious. I kept eating all the ingredients and leaving myself with just basically the soup left.
Even the soup base though.
Yeah, but the soup base is really delicious too. Of course, obviously, with all those great ingredients. So, this should come with a warning label. Extremely addictive. That's what I would say about this. Extremely addictive. You may not eat anywhere else. Wow, so good. Well, that was absolutely delicious. Highly recommend this place. I don't think we need to because it is so famous, so they kind of already promote themselves by having great food. You know, word of mouth is everything. So we had an awesome lunch. It was so good. Yeah, big thumbs up, big thumbs up. We really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, by the way. Say hello, there we go. Yeah, guys, you gotta come here. What? I probably caught it somewhere. They'll even provide you dancing. Dancing is also provided. There you go. And if they're not dancing, you're gonna have to ask them to dance. Anyway, also, you gotta check out this wet market. Absolutely beautiful. There's so much here to see. Oh, we're not gonna be able to capture it all. But that's it for this video. We're gonna do these ones and the short ones so that they are very specific because a lot of people love these food videos, right? And so hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you click like and subscribe.
Yeah, we're doing original food here, okay?
Right?
This is awesome.
So stay tuned. There are gonna be more food vlogs. Here we go. Bye-bye.